In this video, we'll show you how to properly connect your M108s in a tandem configuration. Start by positioning the two units front to back. Then, remove the conveyor sensor override cups. To prevent interference, position the unit's wheels so they are pointed back towards the body. Raise the outfeed unit to full height. Next, make sure both lids are open. You'll place the tandem locks on the outfeed unit conveyor sensors, pointed up. Now, move the infeed unit and align as closely as possible. Next, lower the outfeed unit until it sits against the infeed unit. Rotate the tandem locks inward until the handles are pointed down. On the control panel of the infeed unit, raise the system to the desired height. Don't worry about the legs. They're rated to hold up to 2,500 pounds. Close the lids and you're ready to trim.